Meta is constantly evolving, especially when it comes to business pages and the tools available for small business owners. So, in this tutorial, I'm going to guide you through the complete up-to-date process of setting and launching your Facebook business page from scratch. And stick around until the end because I'll be sharing 3 powerful strategies that you can use in 2026 to establish credibility and attract new customers through your Facebook business page. If you're new here, I'm Nandakishore, digital marketer and content creator. I create videos on digital marketing and WordPress every week. Alright, let's get started by heading over to facebook.com. So I can show you exactly how to build your Facebook page step by step. Why create a Facebook business page? Before we dive into the setup, let's quickly talk about why having a Facebook page is still essential in 2026. First, Facebook has over 3 billion active users, which means your potential customers are already there. A business page gives you direct access to this massive audience without needing a website first. Second, it builds credibility. When people search for your business online, having a professional Facebook presence shows you are legitimate and established. It's often the first place customers go to check reviews, see your hours, and learn about your products or services. Third, it's completely free to set up. Unlike paid advertising platforms, creating and maintaining a Facebook business page costs nothing. You get access to powerful marketing tools, customer insights, and the ability to engage directly with your audience at zero cost. And finally, Facebook's business tools have become incredibly sophisticated. You can sell products directly through your Facebook page, book appointments, collect leads, run targeted ads, and track detailed analytics about your audience and performance. So whether you are a local shop, online business consultant, or content creator, a Facebook business page is one of the most valuable digital assets you can create for your brand. Now let's build your Facebook page. Facebook business page requirements. Now before we start creating your page, there are a few requirements that you need to know. First and most important thing, you must have a personal Facebook account. Facebook requires this because every business page needs an administrator, and that administrator must be tied to a personal profile. Don't worry though, your personal information remains completely separate from your business page. Your friends automatically won't see your business page, and your business page followers won't see your personal posts. Second, your personal account needs to be in good standing. If your account has been restricted or flagged for violating Facebook terms, you might have trouble creating Facebook business page. Third, you'll need basic information ready. This includes your business name, category, contact details like phone number and email address, and your business address as well if you have a location. And finally, have your visuals prepared. You'll want a profile picture, ideally a logo, and a cover photo that represent your brand. We'll talk about the exact dimensions in a while. That's it. Once you have all this information ready, we can go ahead and start creating your Facebook business page. Creating your Facebook business page. Getting started. First, make sure you are logged in to your personal Facebook account. You need a personal account to create and manage a business page. Facebook doesn't allow you to create a Facebook business page if you don't have a personal account. So make sure you have one. Then go to facebook.com/pages/create, or you can click the menu icon in the top right corner under create, click on pages. Step 2, basic information. Now enter your business name. Make sure this matches your official business name or your brand. Consistency is key for branding and verification later on. So for this tutorial, I'm going to add X coffee shop. Next, choose your business category. Be specific here. Facebook uses this to understand your business and show your page to the right people. You can add up to 3 categories, so choose wisely. I'm going to choose coffee shop, and it's relevant here. Next, go ahead and add a bio, a cozy place for great coffee, good conversations, and relaxing moments. Welcome to X Coffee Shop. You can add up to a maximum limit of 255 characters, and that's going to show up right here. And don't worry, you can always change this information later on. Now click on Create Page. Step 3, adding business details. Now we need to add our business details. Add your website URL, then add your business phone number, then add your business email and your business address. Now I do want to mention that this information right here is just for the tutorial purpose. Please don't try to contact them. If you navigate down, you have business hours. If your business is online, then you can choose always open. And if it's a local shop, then choose the specific business working hours. Once you have added this information, then scroll down and click on next. Customize your page. Now your profile picture is the first thing that people see that shows up here. So make sure to add one which is very important for your business or a brand. Your profile picture should be your logo or a professional headshot if you are a personal brand. The recommended size is 170 by 170 pixels, but upload at least 1080 by 1080 for the best quality. Here is the profile picture I have already created. Your cover photo is very important. It's 820 by 312 pixels on the desktop. Use this space to showcase your products or services or brand personality. Keep important elements centered since it displays differently on mobile. If you don't have a logo or cover picture and are not sure how to create them for your business page, then you can check out a free tool called Canva. I'll leave a link in the description. It has a huge library of design templates that you could choose from for various purposes. You could search for a logo or you could search for a Facebook cover. Choose the one that's relevant to your business or brand. And a lot of these are completely free. You don't have to pay for it to use them. If you like any of them, you can simply click on it and customize the way you want and download and use it in your Facebook business page. By the way, I have a dedicated video tutorial on Canva you can check out in the description. Now I recommend you to click on this mobile icon to have a preview of your page on mobile. And this is very important as many users access Facebook on smartphones. And this is how it looks on mobile. Let's come back to the desktop view. And down here you have Add Action button. Click on that to try. These are the different options to choose from. You could choose Book Now if you want people to book an appointment, or if you are running an online store, then you could choose Buy Now or Get Tickets if you are conducting an event. So choose the one that fits your business correctly to get the most out of the action button feature. I'm going to choose Sign Up and click Next, and I'll add my website link and click on Save. As you can see below, you can see the page health score as compared to similar pages with high engagement rate. To achieve a good score, try to fill all the fields without leaving any fields blank and click on Next. Now Facebook, Instagram, Messenger and WhatsApp are owned by Meta. So it allows you to link your WhatsApp business account to your Facebook business page. I'm gonna skip this for now. Now this is where you can let others know about your Facebook business page, and it's a great feature to grow your business page initially as it's a difficult step. If you click on Invite Friends, then you can invite people from your personal profile to your Facebook page. You can do this later as well. Then click on Next. Stay informed about your page. This is related to notification about your page activity. You could turn these on or off. Anyway, I'm gonna turn them off and click on Done. Congratulations, you have successfully created your Facebook business page. Page overview and walkthrough. Let's click on Edit here. And here is where you can do further changes to your business page. If you want to update your logo and cover picture, you can do so by clicking Edit here. Similarly, you can update your bio and customize your page intro here. Click on Edit your About Info. I suggest you take some time and try to add all this information to make your page look more professional. You can add your business email, you can add your website link, and also you can add your other social media links here. And under basic info, you can add the price range. If you're selling services, then you can add them here. Add language, and we can add the founding date to celebrate your business anniversary. If you scroll further down, here we can see your followers list and invite friends to like your page. Now, if you want to go back to your personal profile, just go here and click on your profile to switch to your profile. And also you can see all your profiles that are linked to your personal account. Facebook business page settings. Now click on settings, and here you have more settings for your business page. You can change the preferences for reactions, notifications, accessibility, and even you can change the dark mode if you prefer. Then you have this audience and visibility. You can control how you want it to be. You can add the payment methods to pay for ads. Then we have permissions. Here you can see or connect to your Instagram and WhatsApp business account. Under your information, click on Access and Control. And here you can temporarily deactivate your Facebook business page and reactivate it anytime. Or you can temporarily unpublish your page. Here you and the people manage this page can still access this page and edit its information at any time. And you also have the option to delete your page. Remember, this is permanent. Once it's deleted, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information you have shared on this Facebook page. Let's cancel this. Right here, you can search for certain Facebook features or settings and quickly navigate from here. Down here, you can add people to the block list or view you have already blocked. You can view and manage activity on Facebook. You can control the dark mode here. Down here, you can access the privacy information and access the self-help guide from Facebook Help Center. Now with Facebook business pages, you get access to Meta Business Suite. This lets you access tools and manage business features across all Meta apps. Let's click here. And that's going to open Meta Business Suite. This is where you can create posts and schedule your content on Facebook and Instagram. You also have access to Ads Manager, Planner, Content, Creator Marketplace. This is a new feature. Insights, Inbox, Monetization tools, and Advanced Ads. And more tools here. Now if you go to Inbox, you can access all your posts, comments, messages from Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp business account, Facebook comments, Instagram comments. If you want to dive deeper and understand more about Meta Business Suite, I'll leave a link in the description. Feel free to check it out. Page user access and management. Now, if you want your team members or want another social media manager to manage your Facebook business page, it's pretty much possible. I'll show you how. Simply go to settings and scroll down and click on page setup. And here click on page access. And here we can add people with Facebook access. They can switch directly from their Facebook account and manage this page. If you want to add a new people, then simply click on add new. And you can search by name or enter their Facebook profile URL or email address associated with their Facebook account. If they are already friends, then you should be able to search and find their account easily. What I would recommend is that you give people with task access. Here, they can't switch into Facebook page. Instead, they can manage specific tasks using Meta Business Suite. Branded page URL. If you see our current page URL, it looks like this. And this is very important when you start marketing with your business name. So what I suggest you do is create a custom branded page URL to look more professional. And I'll show you how you can change the URL of the page. Just go to settings and click on page setup. And here we can go to name. And here is where you can add a custom page URL or username. And this is how your page URL looks like. facebook.com/your.username. For instance, I'll add X coffee shop and click save changes. Now this is how our new username or page URL looks like. We can go ahead and link it across our website, YouTube, and other social platforms. That helps us to grow our Facebook business page. Creating your first post. Now that your page is fully set up and optimized, it's time to publish your first post. This is an important moment because it sets the tone for your entire page. What to post first? Your first post should introduce your business to your audience. Think of it as your digital handshake. Don't overthink, but make it count. Start with a welcome message. Tell people who you are, what you do, and what they can expect from following your page. Keep it friendly, authentic, and brief. 2 to 3 lines is perfect. For instance, we are excited to officially launch our Facebook page. We are a family-owned bakery specializing in custom cakes and pastries. Include a high-quality photo or short video. If you are a product-based business, show your best-selling product. If you are a service-based, share a photo of your team, workspace, or a happy customer. Video performs even better. Consider a quick 15 to 30 seconds introduction video of yourself or your team. Now adding your first post. Now to create our first post, you can choose photos, videos, reels, or even you can go live. Write your caption in the text box. Keep it conversational and authentic. Click add photo or video to upload your visual content. Facebook supports images, videos, carousels, and more. For your first post, a single company image or video works best. Before you hit publish, look at the preview. Does it look professional? Is your message clear? Is the image high quality or properly cropped? After you post, once your post is live, monitor it closely for the first few hours. Respond to every comment quickly. This builds momentum and encourages more people to engage. Share your post to your personal profile if appropriate, and consider asking friends and family to like and share it to give your new page an initial boost. Remember, your first post doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to be authentic and represent your brand well. You will refine your content strategy as you learn what resonates with your audience. Content strategies that work in 2026. Understanding the algorithm. Facebook's algorithm in 2026 prioritizes meaningful interactions. That means posts that sparks conversations, shares, and genuine engagement gets more reach than those that don't. The platform is heavily pushing on video content, especially Reels. If you're not creating short-form video content, you're missing out on massive organic growth. Content pillars. Don't just post randomly. Create content pillars, 3 to 5 main themes that represents your brand. For instance, a fitness business might focus on workout tips, nutrition advice, client transformations, motivations, and community events. This keeps your content consistent and gives your audience a reason to keep coming back. Posting frequency and timing. Quality beats quantity every time. It's better to post 3 high quality, engaging posts per week than to post daily with mediocre content. Use Facebook audience to see when your audience is most active. And there you have it. Everything you need to create and grow your Facebook business page in 2026. Remember, success on Facebook doesn't happen overnight. Be consistent, provide value, engage authentically with your audience, and track your results. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more social media strategies. Drop a comment below telling me what type of business you are building on Facebook. I'd love to hear from each one of you. And don't forget to check out the description for more relevant social media tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.